Welcome to Turf King Australia. Want to transform your yard with beautiful, hassle-free artificial grass? Getting a quote is simpler than you think. Here's what you need to do before we chat. Step 1. Send us a photo or video of the area you want covered, including access points. This helps us visualize your project and understand your needs when we chat to discuss your quote. Step 2. Tell us which suburb the area is in. This helps us schedule site visits efficiently. Step 3. Provide your contact details, mobile number, address, and email. This prepares us for the next stage and allows us to submit a formal quote tailored to you. Final step. Is there wheelbarrow access to your area? We need this to plan the right team. We're experts in tricky installations. Prefer texting? It's the fastest way. Send us all the details and we'll take it from there. Let's bring that Turf King magic to your home. Ready to get started? Turf King Australia. Your yard, our skill.